Hello children, in our previous sessions we have seen different methods of division. Division as grouping, division as sharing, division using a color stick and division on a number line. And different methods you see that in divide here. Along with that we wrote division statements as well. So now division statements how do we find the answer? You're given 15, you have to find 15 divided by 5. So how will you do 15 divided by 5? This number, either number divide it is called the dividend, and the number by which it is divided is called the divisor. Either number divide divisor. So here the divisor is 5. Find a number which when multiplied by 5 will give you 15. 5 in 8 number on multiply 15 gettum find here. Find a number which when multiplied by 5 will give you 15. 5 into 15 gettum. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So from this 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Find a number which when multiplied by divisor will give you the dividend. Either number on multiply adana quotient. So 4 divided by 2 find a number which when multiplied by 2 will give you 4. 2 into 4 find here. We know 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. So 4 divided by 2 2 Now 16 divided by 2. To do 16 divided by 2, find a number which when multiplied by 2 will give you 16. 2 into 16 find here. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. So we have reached 16. 2 into 8 16. So from this 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Now 25 divided by 5. To do 25 divided by 5, find a number which when multiplied by 5 will give you 25. Find a number which when multiplied by 5 will give you 25. 5 on either number multiply 25 gettum. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So 5 in either number on multiply 25 gettum 5 on multiply. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now similarly 20 divided by 10. So find a number which when multiplied by 10 will give you 20. Find a number which when multiplied by 10 will give you 20. 10 in either number on multiply 20 find here. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 10 into 2, 20. So 20 divided by 10 is 2. 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Inverse of multiplication division clear. Now along with this, I would like to say about a set of multiplication statements, division statements. But now 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and 1. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and 1. Similarly, we know if 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 2 into 4 എന്താണ് 2 into 4 8 ആണ്. 4 2s are and 2 4s are will give you the same answer. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 ആണ് എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ we can say that 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Along with this, we have two division statements as well. If 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So, 2 4 8 തമ്മിലുള്ള relationship മനസ്സിലാവല്ലോ. 4 multiplied by 2 will give you 8. 2 multiplied by 4 will give you 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. But ഇതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷന്റെ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഓഫ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So let us look at another example. 2 into 8 is equal to 16 ആണ് എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇതിന്റെ വേറെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് എന്താണ്? 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So in a group of 4 ഇത് ഒരു 4 സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സിന്റെ സെറ്റ് ആണ്. രണ്ടെണ്ണം ഡിവിഷൻ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സ് ആണ്, രണ്ടെണ്ണം മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സ് ആണ്. 2 into 8 is equal to 16 and 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Now പിന്നെന്താ ഉള്ളത്? 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 and 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. 16 from this 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 and 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. So for any multiplication statement, you can write 2 multiplication statements and 2 division statements related to it. So let us look at one more example. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So ഇതിന്റെ കൂടെയുള്ള ഇനിയൊരു മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് എന്താണ്? If 4 into 5 is equal to 20, 5 into 4 is also equal to 20. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So 5 into 4 is also equal to 20. These are the two multiplication statements with 4, 5 and 20. But ഇതേപോലെ നമ്മൾ ഡിവിഷൻ സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് എഴുതണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിലോ there are 2 division statements. നമ്മൾ ഈ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് എന്നാണ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 and 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So, ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു multiplication statement ആണെങ്കിൽ we can write all the other statements. This will help you in multiplication as well as division. So, please watch the video, children. In case if you have any doubts, please do post it in the stream. That's all for today. Thank you and take care.